Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable set memory lock time on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, let's go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, let's go to the function settings. We need to go over to receive and forward and go to common settings. Now set fax and iFax inbox, go to memory lock settings, and right here we have set memory lock time. We can enable it, and then we're just gonna apply the settings. Here we can easily go and we can set up the memory lock start time and the end time. So as you guys can see, we can set it just like that. We can set it to, let's say, 12:40 a.m. and the next one for 12:50 a.m. and now it's all set up. So now we can just apply those settings, and if you want to disable it, we simply click on off and then click on apply. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.